My name is Simple Vegan Being, and I have been living simple, minimal, and vegan for 6 years now. Before I started living simple and minimal, I lived a life of buying many things I did not need but thought I needed, living in a cluttered apartment, paying top dollar for more space to house my things and heat them up as well. I was also constantly struggling to maintain and keep things clean. I wasted my money, which I spent countless hours working at the risk of my own personal well-being. I was stressed out, buried in needless stuff, overweight, unhealthy, and unhappy. I could no longer continue like this as I was starting to lose myself. What changed? My mind opened up. But how did that happen? I came across bear bile farming and other documentaries. The modern day equivalent would be Dominion, the documentary, and Eating Our Way to Extinction. Both are available on YouTube with the links in the description box of this video. I am by nature very inquisitive and will dig deep till the ends of the earth to get data to validate my preconceived notions and assumptions, be they indoctrinations considered as societal norms or personal misconceptions. That day in 2016, after coming across bear bile farming, my life changed. I changed for the better, forever. My closed mind opened up like a blossoming flower to beautiful possibilities. I went vegan purely for the animals, consequently going whole foods plant-based SOS, lost weight, gained my health, all the while feeling abundant. I started to realize that I could also live minimal, reducing what I owned, needing very little, saving my money and time to better invest in my passion projects and spend time in nature and with loved ones. I managed to significantly reduce the frequency and amount of trash I had to haul out to the trash room, out in the pouring rain, blistering heat, or Arctic snowstorms. A welcome side effect of going zero waste. The rest, as they say, is history. I am now lighter in more ways than just one, happier and calmer deep inside. I hope to share my learnings with you and hope that they will help you towards discovering your own path and your own journey towards living simple. Simply living, simply being vegan, and beings. I am not perfect by any means. I am still improving for sure. Each odd week, I post a video on Simplify Life, that is how to simplify life, and every even week, I post a video on Simplify Food, that is simple, practical, quick and easy, kind recipes for a party of one or a party of many. Always compassionately delicious for sure. If you think this may be useful to you, kindly consider subscribing, and I look forward to joining you here on our journey together to a better life. Plant strong, animal love, planet peace.